Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Arms Wide Open by Creed on guitar. We will begin by mastering the fundamental open chords that form the backbone of this iconic song. You will learn the C major, G major, A minor, and F major chords. Focus on making each chord ring out clearly and practice transitioning smoothly between them. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and accuracy as you play. Next, let's dive into the strumming pattern. The verses typically use a gentle, flowing down, down, up, pattern. For the powerful chorus, you will want to increase your strumming intensity and perhaps use a more consistent down, 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 down approach to match the song's energy. Remember to keep your rhythm steady and consistent, using a metronome if needed, to ensure a solid performance. Understanding the song's structure is key to playing it effectively. Arms Wide Open follows a clear verse-chorus format with a distinct pre-chorus. Practice transitioning between these sections, adjusting your strumming dynamics to match the song's emotional arc. Play softer for the verses and build intensity for the chorus. This dynamic control will bring the song to life and captivate your audience. To truly master Arms Wide Open, consistent practice is essential. Always use a metronome to refine your timing and ensure a steady rhythm. Listen to the original recording frequently to internalize the song's feel and nuances. Regular practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will build crucial muscle memory and significantly boost your confidence for a smooth and expressive performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.